Is there a secret to maintaining the perfect home environment? Could it be controlling the humidity levels? Indeed, the importance of humidity inside our homes cannot be overstated. It affects our comfort, health, and even the longevity of our furniture. But how do we control it? One effective way is through the use of a central humidifier. A central humidifier is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to maintain a comfortable level of humidity throughout your entire home. It operates by adding moisture to the air that circulates through your heating and cooling system. But how does this happen? A central humidifier consists of a few key components: a humidistat, a water panel, a water supply line, and a drain line. The humidistat, similar to a thermostat, is the brain of the system. It senses the humidity level in the air and turns on the humidifier when it falls below the set point. The water panel, also known as an evaporator pad, is where the magic happens. When the humidistat signals that the humidity level is too low, water flows from the supply line and saturates the water panel. As warm air from your heating system passes over this water-saturated panel, it picks up moisture and carries it throughout your home. The excess water that doesn't evaporate is carried away by the drain line, ensuring no water is wasted or causes damage to your system. This cycle repeats as needed to maintain the perfect humidity balance in your home. Central humidifiers come in several types, each with its own unique features. The first type is the bypass humidifiers. These are designed to use the heat from the furnace to add moisture to the air. They are called bypass because they direct the warm air over a water panel, bypassing the furnace. Then we have fan-powered humidifiers. As the name suggests, these units use a fan to blow the warm air over the water panel instead of relying solely on the furnace's heat. This allows them to produce more moisture than bypass humidifiers. The third type is the steam humidifiers. These work by boiling water to create steam, which is then distributed throughout your home. They're capable of maintaining higher humidity levels, making them ideal for larger homes or those in particularly dry climates. In summary, central humidifiers work by adding moisture to the air in your home, using a humidistat to monitor humidity levels, a water panel to evaporate water into the air, and a drain line to remove excess water. They come in three types: bypass, fan-powered, and steam. Understanding how central humidifiers work and their types is essential in choosing the right one for your home. After all, a comfortable home is a happy home. So take control of your home's humidity and enjoy the comfort and health benefits it brings. For professional advice, contact Medina Mechanical at 416-424-4328.